Hey, Marshmallow Warriors. You're tuned into Medicare and Marshmallows, the only podcast that toasts Medicare experiences until they're crispy, gooey, and just a little bit nutty. Today's guest is a superhero without a cape, unless you count her emergency snack bag. Please welcome Maya A. to the fireside.
Hey, Kim, thanks for having me. I'm just happy to be anywhere that isn't a waiting room.
We promise no insurance brochures, no fluorescent lighting, just firelight, jokes, and maybe a few heartfelt sighs. All right, Maya, tell us, why did you help your mom pick Medicare Supplement?
Oh, easy. I have 2 active toddlers while working a full-time job and handling my mother's needs. For my own sanity, I needed coverage that didn't turn into a choose-your-own adventure every time Mom sneezed.
Nice. What's working well for your mom?
Peace of mind, Kem. She sees a dozen specialists, and it doesn't matter if the eye doctor's across town or the heart doctor's 2 counties over. No networks, no guessing, no, sorry, that's out of network, drama.
Exactly.
And when the hospital bills show up, it's like the hospital saying, don't worry, you're covered, sweetheart.
Wow, talk about seamless. Definitely not a word we typically associate with health insurance. Any challenges?
2 words. Monthly premiums. They hurt. It's like paying a streaming subscription to a channel that only airs reruns of Test Results, the miniseries, and Wheel of Blood Pressure.
Ouch. Premiums. Got it. Any other costs? Copay, coinsurance, deductibles?
Not a lot, actually. That's the beauty of her Medicare Supplement plan. As an example, Mom had a pretty serious fall last year. Resulted in ambulance, ER, x-rays, a short hospital stay. Bill? Over $30,000 before insurance. Our actual out-of-pocket cost? Under $250. I literally did a happy dance in the hospital parking garage. People stared. I did not care.
Now that's funny. I'd have joined in the dance for sure. Any other special moments with Medicare Supplement?
Yes, after a rough surgery, we didn't have to argue with some insurance call center about pre-approvals. I just booked her follow-ups with the best docs. Medicare Supplement had our backs. It's like having a financial fairy godmother. You just have to pay her monthly.
Maya, 3 words to describe your experience with Medicare Supplement.
Simple, safe, sanity-saving. Oh no, sorry, can you hold a sec?
Everything okay? Maya? Maya? You still there? Maya? Oh, I hope we haven't lost Maya.
Yes, I'm back. But so sorry, I hate to cut this short, but my 2-year-old just woke up from her nap, and... No, Sally, do not pull your brother's hair. What did I just say? Do not...
Oh my, go, Maya. Thanks for spending those precious nap time minutes with us. Whew. Well, folks, I think we lost Maya for now. That's a wrap for tonight's Cozy Confessional. Until next time, stay covered, stay sane, and stay marshmallowy.